Wait! Don't go! I'll wait for you at the cafe! I'll be there for lunch, okay? You better come! Wake up, Beam! My arms aren't working! You gotta rev my engine!